What's up, my YouTube family? You are watching Whatcha Cookin Glenda. I hope you guys are having a good day, a blessed day. We thank you for tuning back into our channel. If you'd like to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button and make sure you click the notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload some videos. On tonight's menu, what we're fixing for you today is cube steak. This was a requested video by one of our subscribers, and she asked for chicken fried steak. So we have some cube steak here. Some of them were already seasoned, so that's why my board is seasoned a little bit, because I have some over here off to the side that have already been seasoned. So I'm just gonna season the rest of these on camera using the quad. For my new subscribers, if you guys don't know what the quad is, this is seasonal, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. So when you hear me reference the quad, you know what it is to my new G Squad. As I was saying, we got some flour in this station right here. And then I have another little station here that just has 2 eggs and a little bit of water, like a teaspoon, maybe about 2 to 3 tablespoons or so of water. And we've got 2 eggs that have been mixed up in here, so that's why it looks the way it looks. So we're just going to season up our flour with a little bit of parsley. Again, make sure you season to taste. I'm also going to add in some seasonal, just a little, because remember we seasoned our meat. We don't want to over season. And I'm only going to add some garlic powder to this and some black pepper. We're not going to do onion powder. Make sure you have your oil heating up, like on a medium-high heat. Our oil with these first 2. Let's get some more battered up. And what you're looking for is just a nice golden brown color. So we're back. Look on our first batch here. That's what you want right there. A nice golden brown. It's not going to take very long on the other side, because we probably let this cook, what, a good 5 minutes or so. But it's just on a medium or a medium to low heat on this side here. But you get your nice crust. I don't know if y'all can hear it. But you get your nice crust on this side, and you'll let this other side cook exactly the same. And when we come back, I'll be taking this out and putting in another batch. Be right back. Alright guys, so if you have reached the end of this video, you are the real MVP. Here are the chicken fried steaks. The next scene you should see. We're going to show you some pictures of our plate at the end. Make sure if you haven't done so, you click that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Again, if you want to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the G Squad. This is the best cooking channel on YouTube. Make sure you try out these recipes and you post them on our social media sites, and make sure you tag us, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.